a Countryman channel. All over the world, it's a shell. A Countryman channel. Me, some girl I say, a Countryman channel a shell. All over the world, it's a shell. Them I say Countryman channel at no hell. Me I say, yeah. Me say, the girl them say, Countryman channel at no hell. All over the world, it's a shell. Countryman, will you tell them girl there? Eh? Yo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good day, my wonderful friend. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, when you hear that big heavy drop there, yo, Tigo Bantan, big up yourself. Cause you have the big heavy tune where we are going to drop in this video. Yeah. Now, before I move on any further, I want to say big up all of the subscribers and all of the fans. If it wasn't for y'all, this wouldn't be possible. And believe me, every day I get up, I have to scratch my head saying I can't believe Countryman is making this impact. With that said, let's go. Believe it or not, Baboon King gang is still making waves out there in the streets. We all know Baboon King is in jail. Him and a nasty set of crew. Let me refresh you guys what they did. They killed two brothers and raped and killed one of the brothers' girlfriend. So 3 people died. And they got arrested, a whole bunch of them. The car, along with evidence in the car, plus you have a couple members of the gang turned on each other. So that gang right there is a hot mess. But even though, like I said, Baboon King is in jail, he is still active. Well, we can start by naming some of these guys. Like this guy right here. One of the weirdest names. As a matter of fact, the guys them in St. Lucia, the gangster them have some of the weirdest fucking name I've ever heard on the planet. Like this guy right here, his name is Ati Pum. Like Pum Pum. Ati Pum. Like Pum Pum. And he's currently in jail with the CEO, Marvin, aka Baboon King. Now, right there, that's Tis. And he's a member of the secret cabal, the inner circle, where all of the carry out all of the top decisions when Baboon King, the CEO, decides to make it. Him a one of the man where carry out the actions. So either him outsource it to the other faction them, like Cut Butt, Frosted Flakes, and other little niggas them have around them. But this is Tis, and him is a very dangerous young man. Now look at the screen right here, that's T-Mac and Chunky, and them are the 2 closest inner circle inside the Baboon King gang cabal. Now T-Mac him take a more laid back approach, while Chunky him is laid back but him is the financier. A female that have a lot of money and live in a big house and things. So him would be more like the money manager if them have money do things or whatnot. Very, very important figure in the Baboon King cabal. Now, you have more in the crew, you know. You have another youth in the crew where them call White Boy. Now, him name White Boy. He look like a white man. And him make sure him done in the CDC. I sell peer things, I sell rated, blase. You understand? And him link with Chunky and the whole of them and Tis. If you remember, Tis name has been calling in that little girl Riley murder for the longest time. But White Boy, he is like a middle henchman in the Baboon King organization. Let me show you something. Look at that picture right there. That's White Boy and Tis at the CDC juggling and doing them thing. And the other youth right there, him is just a little do boy run around for them. So when you see the dynamics and see how the crew them link up the Baboon King, without further ado, they have played a big, heavy artist. I want to listen to that song here and drop some comment on it. Let's go.
Hey yo, a Countryman channel. All over the world, it's a shell. A Countryman channel. Me, some girl I say, a Countryman channel a shell. All over the world, it's a shell. Them I say Countryman channel at no L. Me I say, yeah. Me say, the girl them say, Countryman channel at no L. All over the world, it's a shell. Countryman, when you tell them girl there, eh? Yo. Gyal them chemist, you are the gyal them chemist. We are the gyal them chemist, you are the gyal them chemist. Yo, gyal them chemist, you are the gyal them chemist. Yo, pull up a style and them pull up a lyrics. When the gyal them love sit, me say a Countryman them check. Yo, give them a pencil and fix them up quick. All over the world, gyal and the gyal them did it. Sweet sugar cane, gyal a dream about it. Cherry, over ripe and them want him pick it. You have some boy bout them attack gyallis. When them there round them from them bout them attack gyallis. So them step up to the girls and them nah no lyrics. The gyal them say them boring and them a novice. Them from them start laugh and them get embarrassed. Them a promise they gyal them box and kick. So to them a bad man and them run the district. Forget a one gyal them have to use badness. Control teach them this cause them apprentice. Step up to the girl and say I sweetness. I like the beautiful face and your sweet cherry lips. Your sexy shape and your curvy hip. I like to take you for dinner or even fitness. Girl start smile and say she would love it. Straight away, the next digit. Which part him take her in Paris? Say him take her in Paris where romantic. Yo, gyal them chemist, Countryman and gyal them chemist. Gyal them chemist, see my big gyal them chemist. Yo, pull up a style and him pull up a lyric. When the gyal them love sick, me say a Countryman them check. Yo, give them a pencil and fix them up quick. All over the world, gyal a die, gyal them digit. Sweet sugar cane, gyal a dream bout it. Cherry, over ripe and them want him big it. You have some boy bout them a top gyallis. When them there round them from them bout them a top gyallis. So them step up to the girls and them down know the lyrics. Tell them say them boring and them a novice. Them friend them start laugh and them get embarrassed. Them a promise the gyal them box and kick. So to them a bad man and them run the district. We get a one gyal them up to use badness. Teach them this, Countryman teach them this. Step up to the girl and say I sweetness. I like your beautiful face and your sweet cherry lips. Your sexy shape and your curves.
Now, that's the picture of the whole gang. Because them have X amount of man in a Woodlum city and other places, other little pockets in the place who support the monster gang. So what I'm saying, now last but not least, we talk about this youth right here, so this I try. This a Marvin cousin. Him now, him seem like him a the big man because him have couple little thing a go on, couple little business here and there. Him even train and sell dog, and him even rent car and them thing there. That youth so, That's Marvin blood cousin. That's Marvin auntie son. And like me say, you don't know him cousin they are jail. Him a defend him cousin. That's all me I say. With that said, me have some more juicy info on the Monster Gang and other little members, and me will drop it at a later date. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey yo, a Countryman channel. All over the world it's a shell. A Countryman channel. Me some girl I say, a Countryman channel a shell. All over the world it's a shell. Me must say Countryman channel at no hell. Me I say yeah. Me say the girl them say Countryman channel at no hell. All over the world it's a shell. Countryman, me you tell them girl there.